Formation has been building our team augmentation service around helping our clients overcome their tech challenges. Every month, I'll be speaking to members of our team to discuss some of the most important things our clients have had to say to us over the years. Today, we are talking about why speed to market and availability is so important when you're in the business of team augmentation, otherwise known as IT contractors or consultants. My name is Sacha Henry, and today I am speaking with Scott Morris, Delivery Lead for Team Augmentation, and Diluka Senerath, Senior Business Development Manager. Welcome both.
Thanks. Thank you.
So, from digital transformation projects through to integrations and DevOps infrastructure, our team augmentation staff have been injected into many businesses over the years. Our consultants can have different lead times between contracts, meaning that we often have great people available to meet with our clients straight away. So Diluka, the term bench can mean different things. What do we mean by the bench, and what is essential for businesses to understand?
Firstly, Sacha, thank you for having Scott and myself here today. The term bench can have various meaning and can traditionally have a negative connotation too in the IT consulting world. But for us at Formation, when you're on the bench, what it means is that you have the opportunity to have some personal growth time or help out in our delivery side of the business where we're helping clients add value to their products as well. And typically, these consultants that are sitting on bench are consultants that have just finished off a project with one of our clients, or we've gone out and found a great specialized consultant that we believe would add value to our clients in the future, and we've hired them.
Awesome, and I guess once they've been waiting for their deployment to a client, what is generally the length of that time that we send out a team augmentation staff to them?
Yeah, again, this will vary from client to client and their requirements, but typically consultants will start off with a client for 6 months, sometimes even 3 months as the client is figuring out what their tech roadmap and requirements look like. And once the client does have more of an idea, we then work with them to provide more consultants to add value to their roadmap and deliver business requirements.
Interesting you mentioned, I guess, tech roadmaps. Scott, what are some of the emerging tech stacks requested by businesses at the moment? And what are some of the tech talent challenges that you're seeing?
Yes, on the tech stack front, we are seeing increased requests come through for things like event-driven architecture and cloud-native serverless technologies. This technology can help businesses reliably scale their infrastructure spend with the level of customer demand, so that's definitely growing in popularity. In terms of tech talent challenges, we've been helping some of our clients through their own tech talent challenges. So, maybe they've had a few of their team drop out, and we've been able to quickly step in and fill those gaps and give them some breathing room to help them focus on their longer-term business objectives.
And I guess finally, speed to market is just so important at the moment. So what is the current tech capability we have on the bench right now?
Yep, so we have a number of our team who have just finished up on a couple of projects. So the skill sets across the people that are available right now include things like full stack JavaScript with Angular or React in the front end, Java in the back end, and also React Native for building mobile apps. They are available right now.
Awesome. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you both for joining us today, and I look forward to chatting with more team augmentation staff next month.
Thank you, Sacha.